Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming your floors, or just want to make your cleaning routine a whole lot easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, the smartest, most efficient way to keep your home spotless. We'll be looking at the best robot vacuums on the market right now, what makes them stand out, and which one might be the perfect fit for your home. So let's get into it. Best of 5. Lafont Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Lafont M210 features a sleek, compact build that easily navigates under furniture and tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning in areas often missed by traditional vacuums. Equipped with 1800 PA strong suction, the M210 excels at picking up pet hair, dust, and debris from various floor types, including carpets and hardwood floors. With multiple built-in infrared sensors, the robot avoids obstacles and prevents falls, providing worry-free operation even on uneven surfaces. The Lafont app enables customized cleaning schedules and remote control, while voice compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds convenience. This robot vacuum boasts a runtime of up to 100 minutes and automatically returns to its dock when low on battery, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning cycles. Best of 4. Roborock Voice Control Robot Vacuum. The Roborock Q5 Max's hands-free feature allows up to 30 days of maintenance-free cleaning, thanks to its spacious, self-emptying dustbin. Advanced mapping technology ensures accurate room mapping and efficient cleaning paths, reducing cleaning time while maximizing coverage. With 2700 PA suction power, the Q5 Max easily handles fine dust and large debris on carpets, tiles, and wooden floors. The app lets you set no-go zones and targeted areas for focused cleaning, perfect for households with pets or small children. Enjoy quiet cleaning sessions with a runtime of up to 180 minutes, making it suitable for large homes or extended cleaning needs. Best of 3. Shark AI Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark AV2511AE features a 30-day capacity self-emptying base, eliminating the need for frequent maintenance and enhancing user convenience. Its powerful suction is optimized for carpets, hardwood, and tile, ensuring effective debris pickup across different surfaces. Using AI-based laser technology, the vacuum efficiently navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and adapting to your cleaning preferences. Specially designed brushes and sensors focus on edges and corners, leaving no area untouched. Manage cleaning schedules, customize settings, and activate the vacuum through the Shark Clean app or voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Best of 2. Eufy Powerful Suction Vacuum. At only 2.85 inches tall, the Eufy RoboVac 11S easily slips under low furniture for a complete and unobtrusive cleaning experience. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, ideal for cleaning carpets and high-traffic areas. Operates at a volume no louder than a microwave while delivering up to 1300 ppi of suction power for effective debris removal. Ensures a deep clean by combining dual-layer filters with a high-performance filter, trapping fine dust and allergens effectively. Provides up to 100 minutes of cleaning per charge and automatically returns to its dock to recharge, ensuring consistent performance. Our top choice, iRobot Roomba Robot Vacuum. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus combines powerful suction with an advanced mopping feature, offering comprehensive cleaning in a single run. The Clean Base system allows hands-free emptying for up to 60 days, making it an excellent choice for busy households. Intelligent mapping technology ensures accurate room coverage and avoids obstacles like cables, shoes, and pet waste. Use the iRobot app to create virtual boundaries, schedule cleanings, and receive detailed cleaning reports for enhanced control. Specialized brushes and filters make this vacuum ideal for homes with pets, efficiently handling fur and dander without clogging. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for the best value, the most powerful suction, or a vacuum that can handle pet hair, there's a robot vacuum out there that's perfect for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Also, leave a comment below letting us know which robot vacuum you'd love to try, or if you already have a favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.